We are in our Guitar Method supplement book, and today we are playing Yankee Doodle. So let's look at this piece of music here. It's number 13 in your book, and it is in the key of C. And what chords do we need for the key of C? We have our 1, 4, and 5 chords. So C is 1, C, D, E, F is 4, and in this piece, we're playing the 5th chord is G, but it's G7. So it gives it a little bit of a more interesting sound instead of just playing a flat G chord. So C, F, and G. So if you haven't learned any of those chords yet, maybe you haven't learned the dreaded F chord, which seems to be everybody's most hated chord. I don't understand why. It's just like all the other chords. So we're going to play just the melody line if you haven't learned all the chords yet. So I'm going to play with the track. I'm going to play the chords that go along with it, and you will play the melody line. So here we go, and it has to repeat at the end. So you're going to go all the way back to the beginning and play it one more time through. Okay, little patriotism this morning. Yankee Doodle is going to count us in. 4. How'd you do with that? Okay, so just keep working at it. Get the timing down. We have quarter notes and half notes. So our quarter notes are going to get 1 count each, and our half notes get 2. So in the second measure, we have C, E, and D. So here we have 1, 2, and then the half note gets 2. So 3, 4. And then over here on the last measure of the line are 2 half notes. So the first one gets the first 2 counts, the second note gets the last 2 counts. Okay, let's see what's coming up next.